My gardening family, guess what? I am getting grapes again. Focus. Yes, there we go. See? Grapes. Grapes right here as well. Yay! Maybe more is on there. However, they are not visible to me right now. Not at all. But I am anticipating more, of course. So what I'm going to do is to clean up. I know that it is getting more sunlight because it is out in the open more, better than the vine a bit. I am going to take off much of these older leaves so that the vine can focus on giving me more grapes and bigger ones than the last time that I got how it was. So I am expecting a lot of greatness from it. So I'm going to take the time out, not with you, off camera, because it is going to take me some time. And I'm going to strip it. Well, not strip, but get off most of the older leaves. And right here looks a little bushy as well. So I want to get rid of some of those. The less energy the plant uses to maintain all of these leaves, it could focus on the fruits. When I take them off, I'm going to show you how it's looking. You notice as well that it's the new growth that I'm having grapes on. So maybe all of these new growths that I'm seeing, maybe I can get grapes off them. So I'm going to clean this baby up and yeah, see what becomes of it. Please stay with me on this journey and let's see how well this grapevine will do or can do. So the grapevine, you can see it's coming from all the way over here in this 3-gallon container. See, just a 3-gallon container, and I ran it all the way coming over and putting this here. I'm going to take you back to my last video that I did when I took off the few little grapes that I had and when I made this. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. Growing grapes in Jamaica is a luxury, and I feel so honored. I grew me some grapes, except that they were damaged with the hurricane Melissa. I had this little bunch. I am going to build me a trellis. I need to act swiftly. The sunshine, somewhere beyond the clouds. I feel heaven is over me. Come on and set me free. Yeah. The rain is coming down, so I rest my grapevine on here. Finally pull it out, as you can see. So I put 2 holes inside here and 2 down there as well, because I'm going to try to use this little thing that I had before. I'm going to pull it apart, try to use the 2 ends. Oh, and it fell. I'm going to try to use this end and this end, and then join them with some wire and run the grapevine on there. So yeah, that's what we're about. So I'm going to pull it apart, secure them in the holes, and I'll be back with you. Alright. What I did, guys, was to put soil, not soil, stone in the dirt to firm them up, and then I'm going to cover it with the dirt. So my gardening family, I got me some binding wires. I am going to run it across on here. I'm not going to take it through that long process. I'm going to run the vines on here. So after I'm done setting up the binding wire, I'm going to take my little time and just run the vine across here. My gardening family, this lean all over, lean. When I pull the wire this way, this part went that way. When I pull this part, that part went that way. Listen, listen, yeah, girl. I'm just going to leave it for now. Yeah, as it is right now, it is what it is. I'm just going to probably, I don't know, I'm going to figure out something. But this is how it is right now. My grapevine. So it is more exposed now. So let's see if this baby will produce more. So this actually took me some time, but I am done. And this is how my grapevine is looking now. So it will get more sunlight, plus the plant can focus its energy on giving me more grapes, like I said before, and bigger ones as well. So this is what it is like now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.